In this brief tutorial, we'll go over the steps of importing previously used content into a new course shell. First, we'll click on the new shell to open it. And here you can click on this Add Existing Content button, and it'll take you to the Import Content screen. Or you can scroll down and click on Settings, and then Import Course Content, and it takes you to the same Import Content page. Here we're going to choose the option to copy a Canvas course. We're going to select the course that has the content in it already. And here you can choose either all content or select specific content. We're going to choose the second option just to give a brief overview of what that looks like. And click the Import button. Click the Select Content button, and here you're presented with everything that's in the course. So you'll see you have the modules. You can expand and collapse all these different areas. And you'll see all your content. I'm just going to go ahead and select everything here because I want to copy in all of the content. You'll see it even drills down and selects all your files for you too. I'm going to collapse that back. And we're going to hit Select Content. And this is going to begin importing the content from my previous term into this new course shell. And once it's through processing, you can click on the Home button. And there's our content. Everything was successfully copied in from the last term.